This is a project that we finished recently. We installed the full CCTV, access control and intruder alarm system throughout the entire building. So you can see on the outside we've got the light coloured cameras to match the rendering. We can't get inside at the moment because of the nature of the area, but you see there's card readers where we've done all the access control. And then on these doors we've got 24-hour fire doors, so it's permanently alarmed. So yeah, it took us several weeks to do this, but yeah, it's a Honeywell Galaxy intruder alarm system, Hanwha CCTV system and RBH access control system.